Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you don't know me, I'm Prunella. And if you're a returning subscriber, then welcome back. Thanks for tuning in and thanks for watching my video again. So guys, today I'm gonna show you how I actually curl my hair with a hair curling wand. Anyways, without any further delay, I'm just gonna go and get into the video. But before that, I'm gonna tell you one thing. By the end of the video, I'm gonna tell you a very interesting tip. So if you want to know what I'm going to disclose and tell you guys, stay tuned, watch the video till the end, and you'll know what I'm actually going to give you a tip about. Stay tuned. So this is what my hair looks like. Really frizzy, crazy, and I don't know. This is a product by Percy and Reed, and it's from London. The brand is from London. Yeah, so it's a smooth, sealed and sensational voluming no oil for fine hair. So this is the one that I use. I'm just going to take 2 pumps in my hand and I'm going to 1 and 2. I'm just going to take it, rub it in between my fingers and my palm and run my fingers through the hair. So the next thing that you need is hair tie. If you're not a pro with a hair curling tool or a hair curling wand, I suggest you use a pair of gloves or probably even one works. So you always want a glove. So this is a glove I got with my hair curling wand. The hair curling wand that I use is by Babyless and this is how it looks. And I know it just has this one switch thing, so the heat temperature in this is already preset. I'm just going to wait 2 minutes for this to heat up and then I'm going to get back and I'm going to show you how I do my hair curls. So guys, first thing first, use your hair tie to just put your hair up and tie it. So I like to put it in this little bun and leave it. It's not a bun exactly, but whatever. I'm going to start with this much of a portion. Put the rest of the hair behind. Take your heating tool, your curling wand, and start wrapping your hair around it. Wrap your hair right around it. I don't know if you can see. Hold it for a few seconds and not sure if you can see it yet, but it looks pretty, ain't it? So yeah, I'm gonna do it with the other part of my hair. I'm gonna show this to you again. Take your curling wand, wrap it around your curling wand and hold it for a few seconds. Be very careful. Away from your roots, away from your scalp, away from your face. And gorgeous, isn't it? I'm liking it already. I'm going to show you the other side. Away from the face. Away from the face. Beautiful, isn't it? I'm going to do the back of my hair. Away from your roots, away from your scalp. And hold your wand up like this. Hold it for a few seconds, maybe count till 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I leave it. I'm going to do this portion. I guess I'm going to divide it into 2 because the top is different. That's when you need these. Just pin it here. Careful again. Away from your scalp, away from the roots. Even though you wear gloves, you tend to feel hot and burn your hand inside. So you got to be very careful. So leave the other portion down. I'm going to do the rest of my hair off camera. Only when I come to the end, I'm going to show you how I do it, guys. I'm just going to do it off camera because it takes quite a little bit of time, not too much, but I like to be very careful. So it's going to be a little slow procedure. I'm not a pro on this yet, but still. So hold up, you guys. I'll get back after I do the rest of my hair. So guys, now that I'm almost done with my hair, almost, you can see these curls, how pretty they look from the back even. It's yet to open, so don't judge yet. This is the remaining hair that I need to do. And I'm going to show you how I do it at the end. So keep watching. Be very, very careful because it's close to your face now. Try to keep it as much away as possible. Hold on there, at least for 5 seconds. And then slowly release it. Let the curl drop. Once it's cooled down, you want to pull it. You don't touch it now. Same thing you do with the other side. Make sure you're taking all the rest of the hair remaining over here. And this is what you do. Keep wrapping it till the end. Be careful, don't stick the wand to your scalp, to the root area. You don't want to burn and bruise yourself. 5, 4, 3, 2, and release it slowly. I know, these spirals, they're looking crazy right now. So the parts that already cool down like this, except the front part, just forget this. Don't touch it yet. Slowly, carefully. You don't want to tangle your hair, so strand by strand is what you're going to do. Once all the curls are open, then you want to run your fingers through, or else you're going to end up tangling your hair. Start from the tip and work your way up and open it slowly, carefully. This looks amazing. I love this. The spiral curls, they're beautiful. I don't know if you can see it from the back, but I can style my hair in various ways now. Wow. Don't get fooled by the locks that I got. I'm so Prunella from the block. I'm sorry, I love J-Lo. J-Lo has always been my idol. J-Lo, Beyonce, Rihanna. I love these women. Women empowerment. I love these women. They're my favorites forever. A chunk of hair. Go ahead. Open them curls. Open them up. Oh, this little spiral is so cute. So this is the end of my hairstyling thing. This is what I do on a regular basis. Sometimes I end up just keep flipping it. I let them fall naturally the way they are. I hope you guys really like this. Now comes the time of the tip. So you guys must try 1 whole banana, 1 spoon of honey, 1 spoon of yogurt, a whole egg. Beat it up all together. Put it onto your scalp, onto your hair. Let it sit for an hour or half an hour even if you want. Minimum half an hour is suggested. And leave it on. Then wash it off after an hour with very lukewarm water. Lukewarm water. Gently wash your hair. Gently wash your hair. Wash your hair. And wash your hair. Condition it, wash it, and good to go. And it's going to be way much more manageable. It's going to treat your split ends. It's going to treat your dry ends of the hair strands. It's going to treat your color treated hair. It's going to maintain your hair colors. So guys, you must try this. And after you try it, do let me know. What do you think about it? By the way, or thinking that I'm crazy doing makeup like this today. But trust me, I had just tried it today. So please do let me know if you like it. Then my next video is going to be about my eye makeup tutorial. Pin it in right in there. 1 from each side. See, you can style this hair curl any way you want. Ain't that beautiful? Ain't it beautiful? Ain't it beautiful? Just kidding. Anyway, so I hope you guys like this video. If you do drop a thumbs up and do let me know your opinion in the comment box down below. I would love to see you guys next time again. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And hope to see you guys next. Mwah! Bye!